Hi, my name is Carla and I'm the Medical Case Manager with the HIV program. This video is to help you understand the best steps for taking an HIV test at home. I know the kit can be confusing and intimidating, but remember, if you have any questions, we're here to help you. In order for you to get an accurate reading, remember to take the following steps. Do not drink or eat anything 30 minutes prior to the test. This includes drinking water, brushing your teeth, chewing gum, using mouthwash or any other oral products. If you do this could alter your results. Watch your time. Have your watch, your phone, or clock handy to remind you to read the results in 20 minutes. Call us. We want to hear from you regardless of your results. When you are getting ready to do the test, make sure that the box is sealed and you check for the expiration date. All of your supplies come in the box. There's a pencil for you to write down the starting time. This is your testing tube. You can leave it open and ready to go, and make sure that it's up straight. There's liquid on the bottom. And this is your testing strip. This is what you're gonna use to swab your gums. Make sure you don't touch the tip of it. There is a bag that you can use to dispose everything when you're done doing your test, so you can keep everything confidential. Okay, I'm ready to do my test. You put it in the testing tube. And you set the timer for 20 minutes. While you're waiting for your test, make sure that you find an area where it's comfortable for you and it's confidential. And if you don't have that space, you can always let us know and we can arrange for you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, contact us. And remember to reach out to us regardless of your results. You can call us at 602-279-5262, extension 3320, or at hivtesting@nachci.com.